I am a veterinarian, and I work at a small animal clinic in my city. I take care of different animals every day, such as dogs, cats, and sometimes birds. I chose this job because I love animals and enjoy helping them feel better. My workday usually starts early in the morning. I arrive at the clinic at 8 a.m. and check my schedule for the day. I have many appointments, including regular checkups, vaccinations, and treatments for sick animals. I work with a great team. There are 2 veterinary assistants and a receptionist at the clinic. The assistants help me during examinations, hold the animals, and prepare the medicine. The receptionist talks to the pet owners and organizes the appointments. During the day, I examine animals carefully. I listen to their heart, check their ears and teeth, and ask questions about their habits. I explain the problem to the owners and tell them how to take care of their pets at home. Some animals are calm, but others are scared or angry. When a dog barks or tries to bite, I stay calm and speak softly. I move slowly and sometimes ask the assistant to help hold the animal. This helps the animal feel safer. In the afternoon, I usually have more appointments and sometimes emergencies. A pet may come in with an injury or feeling very sick. In these moments, I work quickly and carefully to help the animal as soon as possible. At the end of the day, I clean my work area and review my notes. Even when I am tired, I feel happy and proud of my job. Being a veterinarian is challenging, but helping animals every day makes it very rewarding.